Buzzies, welcome to BuzzingOwl.
Buzzing out, flying high, learning every day, reaching the sky. Trees and leaves, the colors shine. Come explore nature, it's science time. Buzzing out, oh, can't you see? We learn and play, just wait and see.
Hey friends, it's me, Buzzy the Owl. I've got a colorful question for you today. Have you ever wondered what makes a rainbow? Let's figure it out together.
Yeah, rainbows are made when sunlight breaks up into all the colors we see, like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This happens when light hits something like water or a prism.
Whoa, so all those colors come from just one beam of sunlight? That's amazing!
Yup, and we need water for the rainbow too. When sunlight passes through raindrops in the air, it bends and reflects inside, creating that awesome rainbow arc.
See, when light bends inside the water droplets, it spreads out all those colors, just like magic.
Exactly, and rainbows don't stay in one spot. They change depending on where you're standing and where the sunlight is, but no matter where you are, they're always fun to see.
Isn't it fun to catch a rainbow in the sky? What colors can you see?
Rainbows are super cool, so next time you see one, you'll know how it was made.
Yeah, rainbows are awesome! Thanks for learning with me, friends. Keep your eyes peeled for rainbows and always be ready to discover something colorful.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of our fun, colorful adventures with me. Keep buzzing and keep learning.
Look up in the sky, what do you see? Colors shining bright just for you and me. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet too. Sunlight, water, and what do we find? A rainbow in the sky, colors all align. We see the magic as the light bends. A rainbow's a gift, on it we depend. Raindrops fall and sunlight shines, bending the light, making it divine. From the sky to the ground, it's so much fun. A rainbow's here for everyone. Sunlight, water, and what do we find? A rainbow in the sky, colors all aligned. We see the magic as the light bends. A rainbow's a gift, on it we depend. Sunlight, water, and what do we find? A rainbow in the sky, colors all aligned. We see the magic as the light bends. A rainbow's a gift, on it we depend. You did great, you learned so much today. So many new things in your brain. Buzzing Out is proud of you. Learning's fun, and that's true too. Don't forget to like and subscribe now so we can learn and play again somehow. Buzz, see you in the next Buzzworthy show.